In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ChatGPT image generator step by step right inside the ChatGPT chat interface. This is a simple way to create custom images without needing separate design software, and it's perfect for thumbnails, social media posts, concept art, product mockups, and creative visuals. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main chat screen, look at the bottom of the page where you see the message box labeled Message ChatGPT. This is where you'll type your prompt. To generate an image, just start with a clear request. For example, type something like, "Create an image of a cozy wooden cabin in a snowy forest at night." The more specific you are, the better the result will usually be. You can describe the subject, the setting, the style, the lighting, the mood, and even the level of detail you want. If you want a higher quality result, add more visual direction to your prompt. For example, instead of just saying cabin in the snow, you could say, "Generate a 3D render of a cozy wooden cabin in a snowy forest at night, cinematic lighting, 8K resolution, purple and blue ambient glow from the windows." That kind of prompt gives ChatGPT much more to work with, which often leads to a more polished image. After you type your request, press send and ChatGPT will start generating the image. You'll usually see a generating status for about 10 to 30 seconds while the image is being created. During that time, just wait for the process to finish. Depending on the complexity of your request, it may take a little longer, but the overall process is still very fast and beginner-friendly. Once the image appears, review it and decide whether it matches what you had in mind. If it does, you can use it right away. If it doesn't, you can refine your prompt and try again. For example, you can ask for a different color palette, a different style, a closer camera angle, or more realistic lighting. One of the best things about the ChatGPT image generator is that you can keep improving the result just by adjusting your wording. A great tip is to be as descriptive as possible. Include details like realistic, cartoon style, fantasy art, minimalist design, studio lighting, soft shadows, wide angle, or ultra detailed. The more context you give, the more control you have over the final image. If you're not sure where to start, use a sample prompt and then customize it to fit your idea. This is especially useful if you're creating content for YouTube, blogs, presentations, or client projects. Instead of searching endlessly for the perfect stock image, you can generate something original in seconds. That makes the ChatGPT image generator a powerful tool for creators who want speed, flexibility, and unique visuals. So to recap, open ChatGPT, click the message box, type a detailed image request beginning with create an image of or generate an image of, and then let ChatGPT do the rest. If you want a better result, add style, lighting, and detail to your prompt. And if needed, refine the prompt until the image matches your vision. If this walkthrough helps you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.